How to upload large file maximum like more than 25 MB? You simply go to Google and enter the Google Drive, click on the first link, and after you can go on a Google Drive. After you going let us suppose first of all you want to upload, click on a new and simply click on a file upload. After that you select any kind of file more than like a video or anything else. For example, I want to share already uploaded video, uploaded document or anything like and for example I think this one here, so simply click on this one link and share. Basically this one is going to activity about sharing. You can think copy link this one and open the email. Let us put any kind of email, open there and simply paste the link there. After that you play let us put compose the email and simply paste the link this one and your email and other one you're going to the subject. I hope you understand this problem.